You can use continue statement to skip a particular loop, and you can use break statement to get out of the loop. Before I explain continue and break statement, I'm going to print the value of counter in front of each hello so that we know which hello we are at. For that, I'm going to say counter plus hello. Value of counter will get concatenated with hello. And now if I refresh the page, it's going to print the value of counter for each hello that we are printing till the value of counter is 30. Now let's say if I want to skip the second hello, I don't want to print the second hello, I want to jump on to the third hello directly, I can use continue statement for that. For that, I'm going to say if counter is equal to 2, then I would like to skip all the lines that are getting executed after the continue statement. So I'm going to say continue. And now if I refresh the page, it's going to skip that second hello and directly print third hello. And it will go on till the value of counter is 30. You can also skip 15th hello. For that, I'm going to say when the counter is 15th, then I want to skip that loop. So it'll bring back the value of 2 hello, but it'll skip the value of 15th hello. After 14th, it's going to jump onto the 16th and it'll keep on going till the value of counter is 30. You can use break statement to get out of the loop. For that, I'm going to change this to break. That means when the value of counter reaches 15, it will break out of this loop and start executing lines after the for loop. If I refresh my page now, it's not going to print anything after 14th because when counter becomes 15, it's going to get out of this loop. So this is how you can use break and continue statements. In the next section, I'm going to talk about while loop.